This Halloween Nyam Nyam is going to show you how to turn your regular donuts into spooky ones. All you need is some white chocolate melted and some food colouring. We're using purple, green and orange. Next you get some dark chocolate buttons and melt those too. Now let's get our ready-made donuts out of the box. And time to excite them up a bit. Placing them over a baking tray, we're going to pour some melted white purple coloured chocolate over the first one. That's a ring donut. Green, dark chocolate over one of them. And white chocolate orange colour over a jam-filled donut. You can choose different types of donut to make it interesting. You can even do chocolate-filled, cream-filled, custard-filled. Take your pick. And of course, there's no harm in just eating the white chocolate leftovers. Chill that for 1 hour. And now we're going to decorate with some fondant icing. We got some brown triangles for the eyes and the nose, and a brown mouth, and a few green leaves and a stalk on top. Let's add a bit more decoration with our melted white chocolate orange colour through a food piping bag. We're just framing our face. There you have it, a pumpkin for our green donut. We're going to make this one into Frankenstein with a brown fondant hairline. Some pretend nails in there, some melted dark chocolate for the eyes. And let's not forget the mouth. So you can use the same melted chocolate through food piping bags to decorate your donuts. Very, very easy to do. Let's add a few cuts here and there. And there you have it, sewn together Frankenstein. For our chocolate donut, we're going to add some white fondant icing and bandage it up a bit. This would be excellent fun for the kids. So if you've got some kids hanging around, I definitely recommend getting them involved in mummifying the donut. Don't forget the eyes. Now we're going to make a Dracula donut with some chocolate fondant for the hairline and the cape and a cute little face. Don't forget the white fangs. And there you have it. Halloween donuts. Better bite them before they bite you. Too evil to eat. Well, maybe just a bite or two.